Yeah, my name's Russell Jordan. We've been farming up in this area since 2001 when we first bought the first farm. We've expanded now to about 340 hectares. In the last 3 years we've gone to full automation on all the farms. This is the home computer, I suppose, for my automation. This shows my 4 farms. These are all the different charts that you can have. You can put up a chart for just about anything. If I go into runtime and flow rate on this particular farm, it will bring up every event that I've done since that farm has been automated. And then you can just pick and move and slowly bring up one event if you want. And that is the brains box, what I call it, and that goes to a tower on top of my roof, and radio signals go to all across all those farms. So that's virtually need. We have internet hooked up to it. The only reason we have internet is so I can use it on my phone. We can, anywhere on the farm or anywhere in the world really, I can be on my phone and dial straight back into this computer and work it all from there. But you do not need internet if you just want to run it on that. 4-5 k's I suppose from our house, and it's all radio controlled. So there's an aerial just outside the shed here, and it's talking to this from my home computer to this. I think every 5 minutes or something it sends a signal to say that it's still online. And the reason we went to radios is because we have bad internet service up here. We'll irrigate that set over there, so we'll just turn the pump on now. It's just, there it goes. The pump has turned blue now to say that it's irrigating, and within a couple of minutes that on switch will turn, yeah, there it goes, just went to on to show that it's irrigating now. Box has got the capabilities of doing 4 actuators, so we've got 2 here and we've got 2 across over there, and I've trenched cabling in underground, and it all comes up, so there's 4 different sets of cables. You can see that starting to work, that actuator, starting to open that butterfly valve. On a whole, it's all been good. The technology has come down in price, which is good. We were sort of, when we first put them in, even though we're the guinea pigs, it sort of cost a lot. It's made life a lot easier. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to run the hectares we've got irrigating without it, so it would make it a lot harder. I used to get up 3 to 4 times a night, go to different farms to change water. Now, yeah, I sleep through good. At first, there was a lot of getting to know sort of things, but once you get used to the system, it's all good. The talk that at the time was the first farm we had set up was on power, and a lot of growers said, oh, we haven't got power, so it can't be worked. So we went to this block which was no power at all, so everything's done gravity fed, all through 12 volt. So just to show that it could be done on any farm virtually. If thinking about it, get a pump start and a couple of valves for starters, set it up and try it, because you can always add on. Once you've got the initial bit, especially with the system we're using, we just, even if you said we're going to put 10 or 20 grand every year and just upgrade, just keep adding to it until you get your farm. That's what we've done. We started with 1 farm, we got to 2, and now we've got the 4 farms all under. Just, you can keep adding up and just get confident with it first, just to see.